So let's say you've decided you're going to use Google Calendar more to organize your life and your work life. And you've got a team, you want to get them together, maybe compare schedules, you've got a calendar you're going to start scheduling meetings on or events, and you want to make sure everybody on your team has access to the calendar. All right, well, you can share these calendars with people. So if you go to calendar.google.com, on the left-hand side, you should see a list of all your calendars. Simply select the calendar you want to share, and then above it, look for this little snowman menu, the three dots. Click on it, and then one of the options will be Settings and Sharing. So click on that. Scroll down until you see Share with Specific People. When you find that, click on Add People, and then you can add specific people that you'd like to share the calendar with, and you can give them specific permissions. For example, if you only want certain people to be able to see what is on the calendar, you can give them permissions to see all event details, but they can't really do anything with it. If you want to hide the details, you can show them only whether you're free or busy. If you want them to be able to edit events, they can make changes to events. If you want them to be able to make events and manage sharing with other team members, you can give them those permissions as well. Just make sure you type in their name. All right, so start typing. They show up as one of your contacts. Simply select them. And then you can share your calendars with specific people.